more carats. From not expecting anything to a stone like this is pretty special. It looks like it worked out. The thickness of the stone and the width of the stone is now in proportion. By bringing it in where that white spot was bringing the whole stone in to the right proportions. And if it was as it was, it would have been too thin and very brittle. So I'm really happy with how it's come. The sand in the side where the white spot was also making the integrity of the stone a lot weaker. So if it was ever set in jewellery, it could have broken. It's such a pleasing gem right now. I'm so happy. I have a bit of a conscience going on that I took the stone away from Saxon as he's learning, and I didn't really want to have him risk such an expensive stone on a learning curve. Even though I did it when I was younger and made my mistakes, I was silly. I should have let him make the mistakes so he could learn. And you know, he might not have even made a mistake. What do you think I should have done? Should I have cut the stone myself or left it to Saxon, my son?